Champion School Level. Second place to Triwigan Sabay Pagbigas. Special awards. Art Producer. Early Bird. Jack of all trades. Taz Chan. Academic.
Now stage.
Baka pati sa stage mag-video ka. Special Awards, Super Stellar, Star Reader, Academic Excellence,
100-meter butterfly and place, 100-meter freestyle 11 place, 200-meter freestyle 11 place, 50-meter butterfly.
First runner-up, Basketball Secondary Boys 2026, Musical Bulakang Tanghalan 2026, Champion and Winner Inter-School Whiskey 2025, National Level, Second Placer, MSAA Ice Cup, Fourth Placer, MSAA Ice Cup, Champion in Poster.
Let us acknowledge their accomplishments with a round of applause. We now proceed to National Statistics Civic and Creative Challenge 2026. School level, Pipat Healing Handog, second place. Third place, Juanes Supadans. Second place, Dulampang Tanghalan. Best in Class Design, Dulampang Tanghalan. Audience Choice Award. We
Lagi ng pagkakataong matapos sa iyong mga alay. Lahat ng aking pagsisikap ay inaan.
Daddy, galing magluto ah. Are you a chef?
Chef.
Are you a chef?
Congrats kay Dream Boy, kay Sia, kay Celia, Ate Pam. Si Ate Pam nung nag-aaral, laylay lagi leg niyan eh. Sa dami ng award. Magpatato, may award 24/7. Laging magpatuloy, sipag para mabigyan niyo ng magandang buhay o good pag-aaral. Award oh. Grabe oh.
Grabe oh. Oo, gusto ko to si PSG oh. Dapat ano.
Sasabihin sa kanan?
Saka award. Passing this phone to my pinaka-poging anak at pinaka-mabait.
I'm passing this phone sa pinakamaarte kong ate at saka dalawang medal. I'm passing this phone to mahilig mag-makeup. I'm passing this phone sa pinaka-clingy. I'm passing this phone to my best mommy.
I'm passing this to my super payat. Husband.
Ako yun. Payat.
Payat ka ba? Hindi ako may pera.
Ano? Yung bilyar sila. Bilya.
Bawal ganito.
Wala na. Si Sia naman. Every wins change the loser para unang makaano. Yan. Happy! Alam? Congrats para sa mga magulang na. Boy!